Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming a few essentials. Make sure your iPhone is on Wi-Fi and signed into the same Apple ID as your Airpods, and charge both to at least half. Once done, open the Airpods case next to the phone and unlock iPhone. Go to Settings, right arrow Bluetooth so the system can see the accessory. You do this now because firmware updates push automatically when the connection, power, and iCloud state are correct, and that triggers the next steps. Now you trigger the actual update by creating the right conditions. Place AirPods in the charging case and plug the case into power, or set it on a wireless charger. Make sure your iPhone stays unlocked, on Wi-Fi, and within 1 to 2 feet of the case. Do not force close Bluetooth settings. The device checks for firmware, downloads it, and installs automatically when idle. This process can take several minutes, so be patient and leave devices undisturbed for the best chance of success. Finally, you verify completion by going to Settings, right arrow Bluetooth, tapping the eye icon next to your AirPods and checking the firmware version. Compare it to the latest build notes if needed. If the update didn't happen, try toggling Bluetooth, restarting the iPhone, and repeating the charged close routine for 30-60 minutes. If that still fails, reset the AirPods by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds, then repair. That usually forces a firmware refresh and clears persistent pairing glitches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.